Just like lions and hyenas on the Serengeti Plains, lane machines and pin setters are natural enemies. Here we see an unsuspecting lane machine going about its normal day, when, out of nowhere, the pin setter turns on. It is now ready to strike. In these encounters, the lane machine often gets the worst of the fight. Pin setters are unforgiving, and lane machines have few defenses against them. Only outside help can save this lane machine now. A fleet-footed lane maintenance technician appears out of nowhere and presses the start button to pause the lane machine. This pin setter will go hungry today.